can schedule unlisted video to be published and added to playlist at future date or time with TubeBuddy scheduled publish tool. At the end of the video, I will show you how to get TubeBuddy. But let's start how this tool can work for you. To access the new tool, go to YouTube Studio and navigate to the Content tab. Once you're there, select the video you want to schedule for changes in the future. Look for the TubeBuddy logo in the line under the video on the Content tab. This saves you from having to go into the video each time you want to make changes. When you click on the TubeBuddy logo, you'll see a list of tools. We're interested in the publishing list, which contains 3 tools. Let's see how to use each one and when it's appropriate to use them. The first tool is Schedule Publish, and it comes with additional settings that you don't find in YouTube regular option. Firstly, you need to set the time for when the action will go live. TubeBuddy provides suggestions for a good publishing time, but you can have flexibility to choose what time is good for you. For instance, if you have a brand deal and need the video to be live at a specific time, you can set it here. Next, there are 2 options. Usually when you schedule with YouTube, you can only make the video public but not unlisted. If you want to make it unlisted at a specific time, you can do that here. Another useful option is to add the video to a playlist. Normally a video in a playlist appears even when it's private or unlisted. If you want it to be in the playlist only when it's published, you can't do that with YouTube alone. However, TubeBuddy option allows you to choose the playlist you want the video added to after it goes live. The next option is to add a comment when the video goes live. This is useful for including a link to a landing page or an affiliate link in the first comment. With YouTube, you can't add a comment to a video when you publish it, but TubeBuddy provides that option for you automatically. The last setting is to receive a notification when the video is live. For example, if you want to check for a comment when it's live and the video is scheduled for time in the future when you're on vacation or might forget about it, you can receive a notification to the email associated with your TubeBuddy account. All of these settings can be done after you upload the video. After you set everything in the upload, leave it as a private, then use the TubeBuddy publishing tool. If you want to edit or delete a scheduled video, go to that video, open the TubeBuddy logo and find the tool. Then you can see that you have scheduled this video and you can cancel it or edit it from here. If you don't have TubeBuddy yet, go to their website, link in the description. Then click on download the extension for free. Then click on Get button. After that, you'll get back to the website and you need to sign in with your Gmail on the TubeBuddy website. Then you get into the dashboard. Now you need to connect your channel. You can connect as many channels as you want for free, but for the paid option, you can only do that for 1 channel per subscription. So choose the right one when paying. Click on Upgrade. And if you have a pro account and want to use this tool, you can upgrade to Legend. Click on Upgrade Now for the channel you want to upgrade. Then click on Select for the Legend subscription. After paying for your new membership, you can do much more with scheduling videos. To access the new tool, go to YouTube Studio and navigate to the Content tab. Once you're there, you have a few tools you can use from TubeBuddy. You can watch the full playlist for more tutorials. You can watch this video next. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you.